my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today it's a very cold winter day, and what's better to do than a plastic model? Not an RC today, just a nice, good old plastic model. Glue, cutter, paint, and a lot of fun. I decided to assemble a Porsche. This kind of Porsche. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want, you can comment and smash the bell. Tell your friends. And now we go inside the box. Revell 1/24 scale with something modern. You can drive your tractor with simulator on your computer. This is just to modernize a very old hobby. Inside we have instructions,
all the pieces, and how to mount, how to paint, as usual.
And here you can see all the parts. The body, the engine, the seat, transmission, steering wheel, mirrors, tires, chrome parts, transparent for the lights, the rims, decals and stickers. It's quite a lot. And this is my way to assemble a static plastic model. I have to paint it, but not every pieces. I use to mount several elements. Now I have to glue together 1, 2 and 3 and then paint. This is the front, 3 or 4 pieces. All what I can pre-assemble before painting I do. Then I paint, then I finish with the black spots, silver, the little pieces. Then I assemble the other parts. The bonnet, for instance, I can't assemble it because here inside we have to mount this chrome part. So I have to paint it and then assemble with glue. The thing is that if you use this acrylic color, these or other, these are the best one, you don't have to scrape the paint to use glue, because the glue melts the paint. Another thing is when you have chrome parts and you have to glue them, remember to scrape away in the point you use glue, to scrape away the chrome, otherwise it doesn't attach. Wheels, this is plastic, I haven't painted, and I think they are nice. One thing that I want to do is this. You see, it's more realistic. Now I finish to mount the 2 or 3 parts I have to mount, then I paint, then I keep on going in assembling this wonderful 1/24 static Porsche model. Now we are ready to paint. The sprue has very carefully cleaned in order not to have obstacles to the spray to arrive on the pieces and to have less distractions as possible. Wash, dry and then spray. Fantastic red, perfect. Now we let the paint dry for about how much can we dry the paint? A couple of hours. Even if they say less, but it's better. The red is dry and now it's time for finishing touches. Gloss black, matte black, new pieces. These are already in black. Perhaps I have to finish with a little bit of silver here on the contact and so on. And now this is the first chrome pieces I have to mount. I have scraped chrome from the part where I put glue. Then I mount over here. Now I have to let them dry. Then go with silver, some touches also here on the pedals. Could be nice to give a little bit of silver just for the scratch of use here. After a few works, this is the situation. The front axle is ready to be installed. The lamps are painted in silver and black. Wheels are ready to be mounted. Rear fenders, these are for the wheel, for the rear wheel mounting, and other black parts and the transparent for the front lamps, as I have to wait. This I will mount with vinylic glue, not plastic glue. Remember, when you have clear parts, it's very important to mount them with vinyl glue. They stay in position and you don't see the glue because it becomes transparent. And here we are, our Porsche Cabrio is on the wheels. From above, what a beauty. And now we have steering wheel, side mirror, front lamp, and finish the bonnet. We have some stickers to apply, and then the work is done. To finish the model properly, they say you to use some decals. And I used them, but not all, as the quality of Revell, unfortunately, is not so high. Asagava, Tamiya are much more better. This is at the 60s. Stopped at the 60s. It's a very nice model, lot of details, but it's old school. And so instead of using decals, I prefer to use the Tamiya solution. This is nice and realistic. Now I let it dry and then check if to finish better of this is enough. And this is the finished model. I am very happy. This is the only Porsche Junior model I found plastic to mount, to build. And yes, it's from Revell. Historic, ancient, glorious, but just a little bit too old model maker. And Japanese are better, I already told you. But this is fantastic. This is marvelous. So, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. This is not an RC. But soon I will have something to do with the RC and this tractor, because I don't want to anticipate nothing to you. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next, perhaps also with this tractor, but another iconic German four-wheel drive off-road. No, stop. Greetings later. Now, new idea. Show you. Here it is, my idea. Nothing new. I made tons of these boxes, glass boxes. 2mm glass, wood. It is a multi-purpose showcase because you can do this as I prefer, because you are inside the countryside, and you can also do this 3-in-1. And with this, I'm sure you will be very happy for the rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching. Comments, like and subscribe. Thank you for being with me, and up to the next. Ciao!